Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am bringing you, I want to say I have 12 of the OMG glitter collection. So Oh My Glitter is their newest collection that Not Polished has released. Good news, I bought 2 of the same color right here, so I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you stay. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. I'm super in love with all of these acrylics, you guys. They are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I also bought the full Not Polish, their new gel liner kit, not really kit but collection I guess, and I will do like a short small sample of that and show you guys what they look like, how the colors look and stuff like that. So stay tuned, that will be happening towards the end of this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and do these swatches. I normally swatch like on the paper towel and then, you know, do a little bit more extra stuff. So I just decided that I'm gonna go ahead and try to get my camera as close as possible so that you all can like really see all of these colors. I do on my left hand, if you haven't got a chance to check out that video, I did use 3 of these colors as well in that video. I will link it in the cards as well as in the description box below. But yeah, that way you can just kind of see. But yeah, I just wanted to get as close as I could so that you guys can see everything. I did also want to mention, because I was watching another YouTuber and they had done a giveaway, and I just kind of paid attention to how she does hers and ensuring that the people that are our giveaway winners are actually subscribed and things like that. So there will be a couple of changes, I guess. It's not really a change for you guys, just I mean, make sure that you are subscribed if you enter one of my giveaways. That's basically all that. And then, I mean, you kind of need to be a public subscriber so that if your name does come up on one of my giveaway, you know, comment pickers or something like that, I can just click on your profile, go to your channels and see publicly that you are subscribed to my channel. So I mean, it's just a little extra stuff, but I mean, that just kind of goes for me to ensure that I'm not just giving away stuff to just anybody, you know, people that aren't actually, you know, supporting and things like that, because that takes away from my actual followers and supporters. So yeah, that's just a little bit of what I've kind of been thinking about. It's not guaranteed, so we'll just have to see how that goes. I mean, I do verify Instagram and stuff like that because it's a lot easier to verify Instagram, but you know, I think it's just fair to everybody for me to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this video though for now and just see all of these colors, and I'll pop back in just a little bit to discuss the giveaway opportunity. Alright you guys, so here is the swatch of this giveaway powder. Alright, so for the giveaway, go ahead and just leave me a comment with your Instagram name. And then tell me what was your favorite thing about summer, because it is getting ready to end. I guess, I don't know, I'm in Cali, so we just have nice weather. I don't even know if it's considered summer weather or not, but I mean, it will get cold where I live coming soon. So yeah, just go ahead and leave me that comment down below and answer the question with your Instagram name, and that is how you enter. You do also need to be subscribed to my channel. I do ask that you follow me on Instagram as well, and then I do have a TikTok. I'm trying to become a little bit more active on my TikTok, but yeah, if you could just go ahead and follow me on TikTok as well. TikTok and Instagram aren't must-haves. Obviously, not everybody has an Instagram either, so if you don't, just go ahead and leave me that. Let me know in the comments that you don't have an Instagram, and then still answer the giveaway question. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I still have a few colors, and then I do have the gel paint as well to come for you guys. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time.
Put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel. But baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you. I wanna show you treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Yeah, I would never ever let you go. I would treat you right, treat you right. Baby, I would always hold you close. So baby, let me hold you. I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. I know I'm hard to love. I can never get enough. But then sometimes you're too much. I'm down, then I'm up. I know I'm hard to love. I know I'm hard to please. I'm never happy, it seems. But you put my heart at ease when it's crashing like the seas. I know I'm hard to please. But baby, if it were easy, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. And baby, if it were easy, baby, if it were easy, it wouldn't be no fun. I know I'm hard to read. It's like I'm missing pages in me. You think you know the next line, then I change my mind. I know I'm hard to read. I know I'm hard to get to know. I wish I could all go along, but I barely know myself, babe. What do it together day by day. I know I'm hard to get to know, but baby, if it were easy, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. And baby, if it were easy, baby, if it were easy, would it be?
Nobody else, that outside. Nobody else, that on you high. Nobody else, that outside. Nobody else. Nobody else, that outside. Nobody else, that on you high. Nobody else, that outside. Nobody else, that on you high.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chance, I say I'm nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights.